This video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a multi-function power socket. I had just got this in, and this is by the company called Leadchuang maybe, and it's just basically a 3-outlet AC 3-outlet. It's got 3 USB ports on it, and it has a surge protector. So it's a USB, AC, and surge protector all in one. And looking over it here, there's not much to it. Input is 100 to 220 volt. It's a 15 amp, 125. So basically in a surge protection is 600J, which I think that means joules. So let me go ahead and open it up and let's see what this thing looks like. I've got my trusted, next tool here. Open it up. Pulling it out. Oh, that feels very high quality. That's a good looking little outlet there. It's got this little slider that kind of goes like that, and you screw it down, then you slide it up. So it's got a hidden screw thing on it. I like that. That's very innovative on that. A switch right here, 3 AC outlets, it has a USB C outlet. I can definitely use that. So I can get rid of my power brick that's beside my bed. So I'm gonna use it for that to charge my iPhone. And then it's got a cord tie. I love the ones that do this flat back plug. So it can easily go behind an outlet. Behind like a couch or a chair or something like that. So yeah, there it is. There's the actual unit itself. Let me go ahead and plug this thing up and let's test out the USB C on it and see how that thing works and see if it charges. So let's go ahead and go inside and test it out now. There it is, everybody. I got it plugged up here. When you plug it up, you can turn it on and off because it is a surge protector there. Check it out. I have a iPhone cable that's USB C, and there's my lightning port, and then plugging it in. Check it out. It is charging. So the USB C to lightning port works perfect. Now I'm gonna also, you've got USB A right here. So I'm going to run that to my little GoPro batteries right there. There it is. Check it out, everybody. It's charging my GoPro batteries, and I still have the outlets here and another USB A right there. Highly recommend one of these things. I'm going to go ahead and mount this thing down. I'm just going to screw it down, and then you can close it up. All right, everybody, that's all I got today on the surge protecting, charging, power strip. See you guys in the next video.